On a large tree on top of the mountain, there was a nest, cozily accommodating the eggs of an eagle. One day, as the earthquake rocked the mountain, one of the eggs rolled down from the nest and fell to chicken farm located in the valley of bed. One of the hen in the farm gave her love and warmth to the new guest by nurturing and raising with other eggs. After a couple of weeks, the egg hatched and a beautiful eagle was born. But since the baby eagle was in middle of the chicken, it was now being raised as a chicken. Soon the eagle believed itself to be nothing more than a chicken. It did exactly what other chicken did. It scratched its feet in the dirt in search of the seeds. It clucked and crackled, never flew more than few feet because that's what other chicken could do. The eagle loved his home and family, but its spirit was crying for more. After all, it was an eagle, not a chicken. The farmer realized the pain of eagle and thought to help him. The farmer tried to lift the eagle and throw in the air, thinking it will fly. But eagle just fell down off the ground with a thumping sound. After some days, the kind farmer climbed the huge tree, taking the eagle and pushed it from there, thinking this time it must fly. Once again, the eagle just fell on the ground. The wise man of the village had been watching this and decided to intervene. He came close to the eagle, held its neck, and started turning it toward the sky. Like all other chickens, eagle had always seen in front of it or had looked down, scratching for seeds. It has never looked up toward the sky. It was so painful for the eagle. The lights were hurting its eyes. The wise man kept turning the eagle head toward the sky, and as the eyes of the eagle met with vast blue clear sky, something amazing happened. A surge of energy flowed through the body of the eagle. It spread its wing and started flapping them. It felt a power that had never felt before and took flight there right in front of the wise man, the farmer, all the hens, and the chicken. The eagle took off soaring into the heights of the sky, its home, the place where it always belonged. Now the crying skull of eagle was finally relieved and it was now smiling. There are so many of us, my friends, who have potential like eagle within us. But what's holding us fly high? What's holding us from soaring in the height of success? And the answer is surrounding. Whom we are hanging out with, who we are spending time with. Please note, the chickens have the amazing sense of originality too. And they can and they must be most out of their potential. Just that you may be an eagle and being with chicken all the times, you may forget how to behave, how to enact, how to reach your ultimate potential. What you find a wise mentor, you can see the current unfortunate condition, who can see your unlimited potential, who simply wants you to fly high and live for the purpose you were curated for. Then your mentor turn your head toward the sky, meaning they try to align you with your potential and purpose. Trust me, friends, the process of self-discovery can be so painful. After all, we have lived in a comfort zone, not looking at the vast blue sky for so long. But once we do and spread our wings, they flap hard, and there we go, take off to the height of excellence. What has been stopping you so far? Look around your surrounding and start changing and start chasing your dreams.